Hey team, so glad you could join us for another episode of Watching a Big Man Sew. This is part 3 in a series of videos. The first one was about how to make a green screen, the second one how to chroma key a green screen, and this one is about how to build a costume so you can have something with which to chroma key out. So the plan is to show y'all how I made my costume today on Studio 214.
Are you ready? Grab a brush.
Give me a hell! Give me a yeah! Let's paint right now!
So I looked online to see what my options were.
Check the price.
50, 75 bucks?
Good Lord, that's a lot of money!
And I need my costume today. This won't do. To Joanne's. Okay, so we're going to use Procreate to design this bad boy. It's going to be loose, because it's hot in Egypt. Yep, 2 of those and 2 of those. And you know, I like blue instead of red. And we're good. Here's the final design. I start with a neck hole. Kids, listen to your Uncle Greg. Don't use mommy's sheets. Just go to Joanne's. Oh yeah, and if you're a racist, fuck off. I'm not trying to make you a robe to go with your nonsense. Get out of here. Now for the rest of you. I custom fit the neck hole so that it's a little lower in front, but not too low, you big sillies. And not so low in the back. What can I say? Roseanne will get fired again if she described my back. Woo! And now the arms and waist. I could have made separate sleeves and sewed them on, but nah. I did it this way, so back off! What's good for one side is good for the other. So snip snip. Then it's time to get the bottom part of my Egyptian man dress. Man skirt, actually. I'm the prettiest belle at the ball, and I know it! Now it's time to sew a seam up the waist and along the sleeve. Noise! Of course, it is inside out, so that when I'm done, I can turn it back right and hide the seam. Yeah, you knew that. You're also very smart. Now I'm attaching the man skirt to the man blouse and making a man blurt. A skirt and a blouse sewed together for a man. I swear, if Ramesses or that fool Akhenaten show up in the same man blurt, I'll just run and tell my mummy. Yes, I said it, and I'm not sorry. Well, I'm a little sorry. I'll stay mum from now on the mummy jokes. Me, mum, a mum, me. Alright, last one, I promise. What do pharaohs and millennial SJWs have in common? Many have mummies for daddies. Yeah, tragic. Where were we? Ah yes, the headscarf and sash thingy for round me waist. Too easy. Cut the blue fabric in half and then sew them together. Easy peasy Egypt squeezy. Yay! Do the same thing for the headscarf as you did for the belly sash, and well, there you have it. And here we have it, everybody. The most chic in the whole world. He is feeling good and he is looking good. The prettiest belle at the pyramids. So big, so strong. Look at him. He's all man, half bull. All bear. Do I look fat from the side? No? Oh yes, strike the pirate face, looking terrorizing. Woo! And that's how it's done. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment with your thoughts. As for me, I'm going to the house. For For Studio 214, I'm Greg. Thanks for watching.